enjoyment of senses will not give you happiness. These Europeans and Americans, they have enough sense gratification. Sense gratification means money and woman. So they have got enough of it. Why they are after me rejecting this? Because sense gratification will never give you satisfaction. That is false satisfaction. Real satisfaction is when you satisfy Krishna. That is satisfaction. When you want to satisfy your senses, then you are under the clutches of calm, lust. But the same endeavor, when you want to satisfy the senses of Krishna, that is called prem or bhakti. So Krishna is personally teaching why we should satisfy Krishna. Because there is no more greater authority than Krishna. We are trying to serve here greater authority. Every one of us. We are going to office, we are going to party meeting, we are going to be elected president. So what is that? That I assure that I shall satisfy your senses. You want this, I shall give you. Please elect me. Everyone is trying to satisfy the senses. Either of oneself, he is giving false promise. Actually, he wants to satisfy his own senses. As soon as he becomes minister, he will satisfy his own senses. But he is getting elected by promising to satisfy your senses. But the sense gratification is going on, but there is chaos because the point is missing. There is no activity for satisfying senses of Krishna. That is the defect of the modern civilization. Therefore one should learn that you are satisfying the senses of others. Try to satisfy the senses of Krishna, because there is no more greater authority than Krishna. We are satisfying the sense of greater authority, that's all. On my senses. Because my senses are also greater authority. Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moha, Matsarya. These are very strongly dictated me. Do this. I don't want to do this. My conscience is beating. But my calm by lust is forcing me. So this is my position. So in this position I will never be satisfied. If you understand that Krishna is the supreme authority and my only duty is to satisfy Krishna, then your life will be successful. Thank you very much.